Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make PDF in CamScanner app. Now step 1 is just open the CamScanner application, and once you open the application you will be seeing interface like this one. So just click on plus camera, which is on the bottom section. Just click on this button and you can just make a picture of whatever you want to scan or make a PDF, or you can select from the gallery. And once selected, as you can see, I have a project in the recent, so I will open this one. So you will be seeing a project like this one once you import the picture into the CamScanner. So after that, you can just click on the share button, which is on the bottom section in the middle screen, and just click on share button. And now as you can see, like the first option is share as PDF, second is share as Word. So make sure to click on the first option, which is called share as PDF. And once you click on share as PDF, so now as you can see, they're asking you to save your file. So just click on save files. And from here, you can just select the like location where do you want to save in your mobile phone. So you can just open like save in, let's say I want to save in this folder. Just click on save and replace, and after that you can just go and check it either the file is in the PDF format in or not. So as you can see, like this is the file. Now if I try to open it, so that has opened. As you can see, PDF actions. So that is a PDF file which has been saved into my mobile phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.